Hey guys, man, it has been raining off and on. Well, it rained all morning and now it's sort of raining all evening, and oh man, we needed this so bad. So we just got our rain and the garage is half flooded. See the water, it's clear up in there. Oh yeah. It was a pretty good rain there. I haven't had I haven't had water in my garage in I don't know how long. The car is so wet I can't prime it. It just has a film of wetness on it. The humidity, that's about as low as it's been all day. It's been up around the R or the I on matrix there, off the scale. What do you say, Hank? You like this, don't you? So it's cooled off. $78. I think it's supposed to be only in the 80 somethings tomorrow, so maybe we'll actually be able to get something done tomorrow if the humidity's not too high. It rained all day this morning and then it just got so steamy, you know, I couldn't do anything. It was steamy last night. Got some water in the Jeep a little bit. Look at all that water we got. There we go. Well, we got a bunch of water on the top too. Oh yeah. That was the rain. Oh yeah, we ought to feel a lot better. I can already breathe a lot better here today than it has been here in the last few days. My sinuses have been awful. I go into sneezing fits that last forever, and my nose won't quit running. But we had just a touch of rain yesterday, and then it rained this morning really good. My rain gauge is broke, so I don't know how much rain we got. And yeah, so the air is better. I can tell a difference when I got up this morning. I didn't have a sneezing fit. Listen to that thunder. Look at that rain off in the distance. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell that or not. Well, at least we got some rain, guys. I couldn't be happier about that. And the weather feels, the air just feels better. And there's no tickle in my nose anymore, which is good. And it must be all the pollen or whatever. You would think after it gets so dry, after a while, that, you know, your allergies wouldn't bother you, but for me they just continue to get worse. And you know, have sneezing fits that last forever. I just sneeze one breath after the other. If I could sneeze twice in one breath, I would. So turn on the fan, it's hot in here. So that's where we're at. Hopefully we can get the humidity to go down a little bit. It's lower than it has been all day. So it's just super wet, which is okay. As long as we get a little rain to make it wet, as long as it's not just the moisture in the air. So yeah, that'll work. That'll work, guys. So hopefully tomorrow, or maybe even later on tonight, we'll be able to get something done. But the humidity just needs to go down a little bit for me before I can do anything, and there's no sense in trying to paint over a wet surface. I've learned that the hard way. Painting in this heat with high humidity, you're better off just to wait a little bit and let the weather right itself a little. I don't know if it's enough to do any help for the crops or not. I don't think it is for the corn. I think it's too late for the corn. The beans, maybe, because they are blooming. And maybe our potatoes. Maybe we'll get a little, maybe this will help our potatoes. So Milo, who is expecting a miracle, you might get one, buddy. You might get one. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later.